How to pick the best lip colors for you. If you've ever swatched 10 lipsticks and still felt meh, this is for you. Today we'll find your most flattering colors by tone and undertone. Fast, simple, confidence boosting. First, quick basics. Skin tone is the surface, fair, medium, deep. Undertone is the whisper underneath, warm, cool, or neutral. Undertone is what makes one red radiant and another look a little off. How to find it? Try the vein test. Blue or purple usually means cool, green often means warm, a mix might be neutral. Still unsure? Gold flatters warm, silver flatters cool, both often means neutral. Here's the kicker. Undertone doesn't change with seasons, your depth does. Warm undertone, think sunshine. Reach for orange-based reds, terracotta, brick, caramel browns, tawny cranberry, and chocolate. They echo your golden or peachy glow and light up your face. Cool undertone, think berries and blue reds. Go for berry, plum, wine, cool-toned reds, mauves, dusty rose, even a bold violet. These sync with your pink or blue notes, fresh, not washed out. Neutral undertone, you're the buffet plate. Rock both warm and cool, peachy pinks, rosy nudes, blue reds, deep reds, rose golds. Your sweet spot is balance, not too orange, not too purple. Let's get specific by depth. Fair warm, peachy corals, warm apricot nudes, orange reds, fair cool, soft pinks, raspberry cherry blue reds, cool rose. Skip murky grage, go brighter or clearer. Medium warm, terracotta, brick, warm reds, spiced oranges, cinnamon browns. Medium cool, berry, plum, cranberry, wine, cool mauves. Medium neutral, peachy pink by day, classic blue red by night. Deep warm, burnt orange, rust, coppery browns, warm scarlets. Deep cool, blackberry, boysenberry, merlot, cool crimson. Deep neutral, go big with true reds, chocolate rose, balanced berries. Curious hack, swatch on your lips, not just your hand. Your natural pigment shifts the shade. Line with a neutral close to your lip color. Instant your lips, but better. Finish matters. Matte is bold, satin is most forgiving, gloss adds volume. Not sure on a red? Start sheer, then build. Clean beauty lovers. Plenty of undertone-matched, skin-friendly formulas. Try virtual shade finders to preview colors instantly. Truth. Rules are a launch pad, not a cage. If a wrong shade feels right, wear it. Confidence beats color theory. Recap. Warm, orange reds, terracotta, brick, chocolate, cool, blue reds, berry, plum, mauve, dusty rose. Neutral, balanced picks from both. Grab one warm, one cool, one neutral. Take daylight selfies. Choose the one that makes your eyes pop and skin look alive.